So we're back again, everyone. Now we're cleaning up the mess that we made. Getting all the... Good job, Mateo. Good job. The mess that we made here. I got it, Mateo. Let me pick it up with this. Oh, yeah. With the vacuum. Just put it right there in the corner. So we're just picking up all the mess here. Because after putting in the wood in the house, all the little crumbs and stuff fell off the wood. So now I'm just picking it up, making sure I just clean all the little crumbs and stuff here, like you guys can see. Because before my wife comes in the house and starts yelling at us, right, Mateo? That's why we're cleaning up right now. Oh gosh, because she hates it. She hates it when we bring in wood from here, from these doors, and you know, we get all these crumbs and the carpet, her carpet, trying to keep the house clean and neat, you know. So we did what we had to do. Now we got to clean up our mess. So just vacuum all this real good. Mateo is sweeping the other side right there. He's getting all that mess out of there. He's sweeping it to that corner because that's where his mama puts all the mess, right there.
And that one.
And that right there too. And then she picks it up with the dustpan. So we just wanted to make a little video about that. So I hope everybody's enjoying your Saturday. I'm here getting the wood ready for the fire.
I'm done.
And I'm gonna turn on the fire now, the fan right here. So what this fire does, the fireplace, we have it connected to we have pipes outside where it brings cold air, and then it heats it up, and then it brings it out from here. So it helps to keep the house warm. You know, that was the whole purpose why I wanted to install and get this fireplace installed, to burn wood, which I love burning wood. Have lots of wood outside that I cut all the time.
Me too.
And Mateo does too. Always helping me out. Look at, he's still cleaning, he's still sweeping. That's him, that's my boy. Look at him, he's picking up everything. Look at that. Ezekiel, he always does too.
Yeah.
Always.
Not today.
But not today because
He's sick.
he's sick, right?
He can't go outside.
No, he cannot
Only
go.
me.
Yes. Yes, and he can't go outside right now because he's sick, right? Had a fever, so he's drinking a lot of water and trying to keep him hydrated. But no,
And he thinks
yeah. Well, like I was saying, so with this fireplace, with the design of this fireplace, it helps us keep the house warm when we turn it on. You know, I put the fan in the highest, I think it's number 8 or 10, and it's blowing right now. When it starts heating up real good, all this hot air is gonna start coming out. Well, it's coming out already, but you know, it's gonna come out hotter. So so yeah, so that's the whole purpose of us cutting wood and bringing wood in the house, because it helps us keep the house warm. That's right. Okay, sounds good. Well, let everybody go, and we'll definitely make another video down the road about something else. Thank you, and God bless.